Hello everyone, this is the Sky Tour for the month of June 2020, brought to you by the Multimedia Learning Center at Frostburg State University. We begin the tour with an alignment of planets in the early mornings of the month. This is what the sky looks like in the south about an hour before the sun rises on Sunday, June 7th. The moon is in the waning gibbous phase. Waning refers to the illuminated part that we observe getting smaller over the course of time. Gibbous refers to more than half of the observable side of the moon being illuminated. On Monday, June 8th, the moon appears close to Jupiter. On June 9th, it appears close to Saturn. On June 13th, it appears close to Mars. The moon is now in the last quarter phase. That's the transition from waning gibbous to waning crescent. Mars appears higher and higher in the sky as we approach the summer solstice. Summer solstice occurs on June 20th and marks the beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere. Let's turn our attention to the evening of summer solstice. In the east-northeast are the bright stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair. Together, they make up the Summer Triangle. The Summer Triangle is so named because it is visible for most of the night during the summer. The Summer Triangle connects the constellations Lyra, Cygnus, and Aquila. Lyra is named after a stringed instrument played by Orpheus in Greek mythology. Cygnus is named after the swan that Zeus would sometimes disguise himself as. Aquila is named after the eagle that carried and retrieved Zeus's thunderbolts. Between the two stars at the bottom of Lyra is the Ring Nebula. The Ring Nebula belongs to a class of nebula called planetary nebula. Planetary nebula are the shells of glowing gas surrounding the core of a star that is no longer hot enough to fuse lighter elements into heavier ones. The remaining core is called a white dwarf star. In the head of the swan is the double star Alberio. Alberio is famous for being easy to find, and the dramatic contrast between the orange and blue colors of the two stars when observed with a telescope or binoculars. Continuing towards the horizon, there is another planetary nebula, the Dumbbell Nebula. The Dumbbell Nebula is the first planetary nebula discovered. That's our last stop in this month's Sky Tour. Stay up to date on upcoming events at our website www.frostburg.edu/MLC, or search for Multimedia Learning Center on Facebook. This is Dr. Jason Spates, wishing all of you clear skies.